Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Last Friday the 13th, I attended the first annual Go Forth Goods Meetup that was organized by Gracie Gean. She created the Go Forth Goods BSTies Facebook group. It's a private group, but if you love Go Forth Goods bags, I would highly recommend requesting to join. It's a great community that understands the obsession. So here's a tour of the storefront, and in the back is where a team of 5 hand make all the bags. Nathan was gracious and allowed me to film and take photos, so I'm completely loving the bag displays here. So if you're new to the brand, being able to touch and feel the bags in person is huge. I was actually shocked to find out many of the attendees flew in for this meetup, some as far away as Wisconsin and New Jersey. So that just shows the dedication of this group. I'm just lucky enough to live 30 minutes away from the store. So here's a look at this Julianne hobo and this bag display. Those are some small Kindles. And those are some Abby bucket bags. And that over there is a new maple circle bag. And that's the Nola and saddle with that chain link strap. Look at that Avery tote with that pull up there. I love the variation in color. That's what I love about this brand. It's like the leathers are so high quality, full grain, that they leave the natural markings and wrinkles and pebbles, large pebbles, small pebbles. It's a very unique hide for each bag, so you don't get the same bag looking exactly like another one. So I think that's what makes this brand so unique. These are the Hoffmans. I'm a huge fan. I have more than a few. And here are some backpacks. Coming up here are some Janes with handles, which I know are really big and popular with the group. It's a crescent bag and another small Kindle. That's the bag that I bought, actually. I love it. I'm gonna have a full review of that coming up soon, so definitely subscribe. There is Nathan talking to one of our groupies here. It's another look at the Nola. I really love that chain link strap there. Look at that leather, all the wrinkles and striations, beautiful. Another close-up of the maple circle bag. Some more Julianne's. It's a honey, smoky blue, suede, chocolate suede, and it's probably saddle, I think. I'm not sure. That could be maybe hickory. So here's further back in the store, there's like a rack with a bunch of returns. So I guess they're still waiting to sell. And here's a look at the workshop in the back. I didn't want to intrude, so I kind of just zoomed in. So those bags are all bags ready to go out to their new owners. Those are some hides. That is a gorgeous blue cobalt Avery tote. And this is a scratch and dent pile right here in the back, you see. And a lot of discontinued colors there. And everyone was really, really interested in this section. I pulled out this saddle little pouch, somebody's initials. Here's a passport cover in some kind of red wine, maybe, or redwood bison. So everyone wanted to go back there to look. It was pretty funny. Nathan was like, if I had known you guys were going to be so interested in the scratch and dent pile, I would have organized it better for you guys. So next time, Nathan, we'll be back in 2027, I'm sure. So everyone was going through that pile. It was pretty fantastic and fun. So that is it for me. Thanks again to Gracie Gean for organizing this meetup. It was fantastic. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you next time.